T.S. Eliot once said, "The end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time." That's a great way to look at the universe of Star Trek. After several hundred episodes and 7 motion pictures from the final frontier, you might think, gosh, how many more stories are left out there? Well, here's one way to look at it. Only 4% of the galaxy had been charted during Captain Kirk's initial voyage, about 11 billion stars. Only 19% had been charted at the beginning of the next generation. So, do the math. There's a heck of a lot of stars out there, just waiting to be explored. And just as many thrilling stories waiting to be told. With that in mind, the producers and writers of Voyager have vowed to uphold Star Trek's ongoing quest to deliver fresh adventures and thought-provoking dramas that comment on the human condition.
We're explorers from another galaxy.
We're explorers, too. Most of the species we've encountered have overcome all kinds of adversity without a caretaker. It's the challenge of surviving on their own that helps them to evolve.
It comments on the way we are a lot. And the original series was like this a great deal, and I think that the torch has been carried into these Deep Space Nine and Next Generation as well. I think people are intrigued by that.
I think that the people love creating an alternative reality. They do it. People do it. People do it all the time. But this is an accepted way of doing it. This is a very popular way of doing it. It's fun. It's interesting. It's a universe within itself.
It has integrity. It is respected, and you step on board knowing that your role is not only to create but to continue the legacy, and that's an amazing feeling.
We're alone in an uncharted part of the galaxy. We have no idea of the dangers we're going to face. But one thing is clear. We'll continue to follow our directive, to seek out new worlds and explore space.
Perhaps Star Trek appeals to our continuing desire to explore the unknown. As you saw in the opening of our show, that desire has been with us for a long time. And since the last remaining source of exploration is the final frontier, we can look to shows like Star Trek Voyager to fuel our pioneering spirit. I'm Robert Picardo. Thank you for joining us. See you out there somewhere.
A new generation. A new mission. A new destiny. Prepare for the ultimate journey into an uncharted wilderness known only as the Great Unknown. Star Trek Voyager. Coming to Earth. Coming to UPN. Premiering January 16th.
Catch this series premiere with Richard Grieco and Star Trek's Gates McFadden in Marker, Tuesday night at 8, right here on KUSI.